3 weeks ago, I was running on empty, tired every morning, stressed by noon, craving sugar and caffeine just to stay functional. I didn't feel like myself. I wasn't sick, but I wasn't well either. If you've ever felt like your body is just surviving instead of thriving, this video is for you. Because what I'm about to share is the exact 21-day health reset I did to go from foggy, fatigued, and overwhelmed to feeling clear, energized, and grounded again. No crash diets, no expensive supplements, just a few intentional changes done consistently. Let's dive into what I did, why it worked, and how you can do it too. Week 1. Clear the clutter. The first 7 days weren't about adding more. They were about removing what was draining me. That included 1. Cutting out processed sugar. Not forever, but for this reset, I said goodbye to the added sugars in snacks, cereals, sauces, and drinks. Within 3 days, I noticed fewer energy crashes. My cravings didn't disappear, but they got quieter. 2. Ditching caffeine after 12 p.m. I used to reach for a second coffee at 3 p.m. and then wonder why I couldn't sleep. This one change improved my sleep quality more than anything else. 3. Unplugging an hour before bed. No doom scrolling, no late-night Netflix, just quiet, dim lights, reading, or stretching. My brain thanked me with deeper, uninterrupted sleep. This first week was about creating space, because when your body isn't constantly overstimulated, it can finally begin to heal. Before we jump into week 2, take a second to hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about realistic, sustainable health, not extremes. If you want more content like this, make sure you're subscribed. Week 2. Reset the rhythm. With the noise cleared, it was time to create a rhythm that supported me. 1. Morning sunlight and hydration. I started every day with 2 non-negotiables. A tall glass of water with lemon and a pinch of salt. 5-10 minutes outside in natural light. These 2 tiny habits did more for my energy and mood than any supplement ever has. 2. Moving my body daily, even just 15 minutes. Some days it was a walk. Other days it was yoga or bodyweight training. But I moved intentionally every single day. Movement became a mental reset, not just a physical one. It helped clear my mind, ease anxiety, and regulate my sleep. 3. Eating for fuel, not just fullness. Instead of counting calories, I focused on 3 things. Whole, unprocessed foods. Balanced meals, protein, fiber, healthy fats. Eating slowly and mindfully. I didn't cut out carbs. I didn't count macros. I just paid attention to how food made me feel and adjusted accordingly. This second week was about building momentum, not perfectly, but consistently. Week 3. Recharge the mind. Here's where everything came together. Because energy isn't just physical, it's mental too. 1. 10 minutes of mindfulness a day. Sometimes that meant meditation. Sometimes it was journaling or deep breathing. But every day, I gave my mind space to pause, reflect, and breathe. And that mental clarity spilled into everything else. I started making better food choices. I slept deeper. I felt calmer on a soul level. 2. Reconnecting with joy. This might sound simple, but it was powerful. I made time to do things I actually enjoy without guilt. Reading fiction, cooking new meals, going for walks without my phone. Joy is medicine. Don't underestimate how much it can recharge your nervous system. 3. Saying no to anything that drained me. Toxic group chats, muted. Extra work I didn't have the bandwidth for, declined. Mindless scrolling, replaced with sleep or rest. Protecting my energy wasn't selfish, it was necessary. And the more I honored my limits, the more energy I had for what actually mattered. The results after 21 days. I was waking up before my alarm naturally. My digestion improved. My afternoon crashes were gone. I had more mental clarity and focus. And most importantly, I felt peaceful again. This wasn't about a six-pack. This was about coming home to my body. And I didn't do anything extreme, just small habits, stacked daily, with intention. You can do this too, and no, you don't need to wait for the perfect time to start. Here's how to create your own 21-day health reset. Clear the clutter. Cut processed sugar. Reduce caffeine. Unplug before bed. Reset your rhythm. Morning sunlight plus water. Move daily. Eat for energy, not just fullness. Recharge your mind. Practice daily mindfulness. Reconnect with what brings you joy. Protect your energy like your life depends on it, because it does. If this video gave you a fresh start or a new perspective, tap the like button. Comment below with one habit you're starting today. Subscribe for weekly tips to reset, rebuild, and reclaim your health without burning out doing it. You don't need a new body. You don't need a full-time wellness schedule. You just need to come back to the basics, consistently with love. Your energy, your clarity, and your peace, they're waiting on the other side of simple daily choices. You've got this. Let's reset together. See you in the next one.